Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial yet often overlooked topic: digestive health. A healthy gut is the foundation of a healthy body and mind. If you're experiencing issues like bloating, constipation, or indigestion, or if you simply want to maintain a healthy gut, this video is for you. We'll be discussing natural ways to enhance your digestive health, so stay tuned. Your digestive system includes the gastrointestinal tract, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder. It's responsible for breaking down the food you eat, absorbing nutrients, and expelling waste. When this system malfunctions, it can cause nutritional deficiencies, fatigue, and chronic diseases. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome. These bacteria play a significant role in your overall health, influencing everything from digestion to immunity to mental health. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for proper digestion and nutrient absorption. Imbalances in these bacteria, often caused by poor diet, stress, and antibiotics, can lead to digestive disorders and health problems. Signs of poor digestive health include bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, fatigue, food intolerances, and skin issues. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms regularly, it might be time to focus on improving your gut health. Fiber aids digestion by moving food through the system, preventing constipation, and supporting regular bowel movements. Fiber exists in two types: soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber are in oats, apples, and beans, softens stool, while insoluble fiber are in whole grains and vegetables, adds bulk. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are good for your digestive system. They help balance the good and bad bacteria in your gut. You can find probiotics in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Taking a high-quality probiotic supplement can also be beneficial, especially if you've recently taken antibiotics. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for digestive health, as it helps break down food for nutrient absorption. It also softens stool, which helps prevent constipation. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, and more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Mindful eating means paying full attention to the experience by eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and savoring each bite. This practice can help improve digestion and prevent overeating. When you eat mindfully, you're more likely to notice when you're full, which can help with weight management as well. Processed foods are often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and additives, which can harm your gut health. These foods can promote the growth of harmful bacteria in your gut and contribute to inflammation. Instead, focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Chronic stress can harm digestive health by shifting the body into fight or flight mode, diverting energy from digestion. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and spending time in nature can help manage stress and improve your digestive health. Regular physical activity helps keep your digestive system healthy. Exercise can help stimulate the natural contraction of intestinal muscles, helping to move food through your digestive system. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Activities like walking, jogging, cycling, and swimming are great options. Overeating can overload your digestive system, causing discomfort and indigestion. Eating smaller, more frequent meals can be easier on your digestive system than eating large, heavy meals. Sleep is crucial for overall health, including digestive health. Poor sleep can disrupt your gut microbiome and increase stress levels, both of which can negatively impact digestion. Certain herbs have been traditionally used to support digestive health. For example, ginger aids nausea and indigestion, peppermint soothes IBS, and chamomile relaxes the digestive tract. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any herbal remedies, especially if you're taking other medications. Inflammation harms digestion, but foods like fatty fish, nuts, olive oil, leafy greens, and berries can help reduce it and support health. In addition to eating healthy, avoid foods that harm digestion, such as processed foods, artificial sweeteners, fried foods, and alcohol. Taking care of your digestive health is essential for overall well-being. By making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can naturally enhance your digestive health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.